Well, I've been involved with the Upstate Alliance since about the inception of the Alliance, as a matter of fact. And over that time, what I've seen is an incredible coming together, private sector, public sector entities to do nothing but be focused on how do we market this region to the world. There's been a noticeable impact on drawing attention from companies in other parts of the globe. We have something of quality to offer, that whether it's the Upstate SC Alliance or our partners at the local economic development level, there is this attraction to the area. I think our role at BMW is to help be a partner in these organizations that are doing this, because it's good for our business and it's good for the local businesses because it gives them a great opportunity for future customers as well.